Hi gamers. Okay, this is gonna be a little strange. How do I explain this? I guess I don't know. So I have to do some lab prep. I have to watch some instructional videos, and I thought, why don't we just hang out and we learn a little bit about welding and things. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I thought it might be kind of fun to just sort of, you know, hang out, watch some welding. I don't really know if this is like how React content works on Twitch. I don't really have a lot of experience with that, but I don't know, it could be fun. My professor is cool. Let me see if this is gonna come up correctly. I don't think there's anything that bad in this. I don't think I could dox myself. Oh my gosh, hi Hal, how's it going? Teehee, POV, your birthday stream. You're watching welding videos. Well, it's technically my birthday stream, but it's like, it's not really my birthday stream. What the? Oh. Here we go. Here we go. You're drawing wolves? Oh, well, this is the perfect background noise to draw wolves to. It's first person, but it looks like found footage. I'm excited. I need to like take notes. I should probably take notes. Should I like... Well, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, this is... Yeah. I should subscribe to him. You should go subscribe to my professor. Okay, let's see.
All right, this week we're gonna start doing a little OXYFUEL torch cutting.
I kind of like his voice. He's so funny. He's like such a shop teacher.
Then we're gonna transition off to brazing.
Okay, I'll put on subtitles.
So let's look at tank setup first. That's fairly important. So this is a settling tank down here, and I can't get it to rotate.
Okay, I would like to clarify. I am so scared. I am such a little scared little guy about this. This goes up to like, I think it goes up to like 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my gosh, wait, it is. It could be Drown Him Friday. It could be. In our hearts, it's Drown Him Friday, even though I don't stream Fridays anymore. Drown Him Thursday. I don't have any water. Maybe I do? No, I don't think I do. I have, oh god. Oh god, do I have... Are you guys gonna make me go to the common room to go get water? The STEM life, dehydration, literally so true. In my... Okay, I'll go to the common room to go get water. In my textbook, it literally said, here's how to be a good mechanical engineering major. Stop having as many friends, don't go to as many social activities, and also don't talk to your family as much. It's like, don't have family problems. Don't have a life, actually. I don't have a sink. No, I don't have a sink. I live in a box with a bed in it, basically, and another person. Oh my god, maybe we should read that. Oh, I have to read that textbook actually for tomorrow. Should we read that textbook together too? Oh, I could. It's so bad. It's so bad. Natural stream collab? No, natural collab stream? Okay, do you really want me to go drown? I can go get some water. Oh, I fucked it. Okay, one second. Let me, what's this? How do I describe this? So, I am a mechanical engineering major, and, I have to do lab work on Tuesdays, and I have to use an OXYFUEL torch for the first time, so we're watching OXYFUEL videos. Welding tip, you don't need anyone but me. I'm the only one who understands you. Okay, fine, I'll go get water. 1 second. You guys are ruthless. I'll be right back. It's gonna take me like a sec. I hope I don't get locked out. If you don't see me come back, then I like somehow accidentally lock myself out of the room. That would be really bad because my roommate is not here and they have class until 8 o'clock. So I'll come back. Keys, I know I'm gonna remember my keys, but like if I don't come back, then that's why. Okay, I'll be back. Smiles. Oh, what the fuck? Wait. Wait a second. Wait, behead him Thursday. Oh my god. His streams just aren't the same without him. POV. You're watching a stream with no catboy. I'm back. Let me make this a little bit better. You remind me of some TikTok where a girl in the doctor's office saw me watching a video on how to perform surgery on her. Oh my god. Wait, should I show you guys a picture of the box I welded? That's the wrong site. Can I edit this? I can show you a picture of the box I welded. It's really bad. It's really bad. It's literally cringe fail. Oh my god, stop this. I have to switch this. There we go. The fuck? Oh, it's tiny. 1 second. It's actually genuinely embarrassing. Should I go take it? Wait a second. I'll take a picture. 1 second. I wish I had a hand cam. Should I do a hand cam stream at some point? Like, you guys can see my hands. Fell with big thighs Thursday. Yeah, my box was so bad. It's so bad. Wait, why is my camera's so fucked lately. I could make a hand cam. Oh, I kind of want to do it like right now because I want to actually show you guys this box. It's so bad. It's so bad. Don't look at us like that. Let me take a picture of it. You can hear it? Okay, let me explain the purpose of this box. So this was called a letter box, and you'd think that we were making a box to hold letters in. But no, it just meant that we had to put our letter, our first letter of our name on the box. So it's very much less cool. Okay, so You look at one side of the box, you're like, oh wow, this is like pretty nice. Like, okay, cool. You did some resistance spot welding. And then you look at the other side of the box and you're like, holy fuck. How did you manage to fail a box that bad? Let me send these pictures to myself so I can show them to you, chat. And then we can get into the welding. Does anybody actually stream welding? Somebody's got to stream welding, right? Just blinds all their viewers. Be like, yeah, guys, I'm streaming welding today. This camera is actually going to transmit the light, like, into your... Become the welding streamer? Bro, I'm so bad at welding. Actually, okay, so we did this box, and then we also did welding, right? I have learned a lot about welding in the past 2 weeks, because there are apparently a lot of different types of welding, and not just a lot of different types of welding, like a ridiculous amount of types of welding. Oh god, do I have audio distortions? If you can hear my Discord notifs, that might be it. Okay, good. It sounds normal. Thank god. I was worried my visual, my noise was on. I am turning off the... Wait, oh god. Sorry, the ping noises, I know. I'm literally such a bad streamer. Okay, let me grab these pictures to show you guys. Might be your computer? It doesn't seem to be popping for me. But I was getting electrical interference a while back. Okay, here, I can just pull them up over here. Okay, so this is the first side of the box. Here's hand reveal. I have painted nails right now. Oh wow, look at this box. These are the resistance spot welds. They're pretty good. I forgot to push the button on this one. Yeah, punk fingernails. So yeah, you're like, wow, this is pretty awesome, right? This is pretty poggers. That looks like a box. This is the other side of the box. It's so bad. I forgot to cut the corner, like down, so I like couldn't get this back. We were supposed to rivet both of these. I couldn't even get a rivet in here. I couldn't even drill this thing, bro. I drilled it and it fucking spun off the side of the block of wood we were trying to drill it on, and the inside of this rivet looks so bad too. You can't see how bad it is, but it looks so bad. I literally am so cringe fail at welding. The other thing is we were doing TIG welding. So that's tungsten inert gas welding. And you have a little gun. And we bent up a piece of metal to make like a little edge on the metal, and we shoved it against another piece of metal, and we melted that edge, and that was supposed to be where our weld was. But I was so bad at it that like I literally couldn't weld the two pieces together at all. Literally I took them out of the vise that we were welding them in, and they just literally weren't welded together. I just melted the metal somehow without getting it onto the other piece. It was impossible. It's so hard. And then I was like, oh, I asked him, I was like, hey, so how do I not do that? And he's like, well, put it on the other piece. And then I did it again, and I literally did the exact same thing twice. It was so bad. Like, we had to like cut our welds apart, because he was supposed to be like, oh, if you have a shitty weld, like just cut it apart and like weld it again. But I didn't even have to cut it apart because it didn't even go together in the first place. Anyway, I'm not very good at welding yet. I've only done it 3 times though. The 3rd time I did get it, but I also like set my entire piece of metal on fire. Which was kind of scary. I think you're epic win at welding, personally. How did I set it on fire? So like there were we have a lot of different like welding stations, because it's like I think there's maybe roughly like 25 people in my lab for this, and so we have to have a lot of different welding stations. And each machine is like kind of quirky, so like they each kind of work well, or work like differently. So I was welding in the same place for the first 2 times because there was nobody there. People were like doing other stuff. But then I had to switch to this other machine the other time, and it just spurted everywhere, bro. It was messy. It was so much hotter than the other ones somehow. I don't know if like the voltage was different. I don't think it was. I think it was like, because we run on like 120 amps, 20 volts, I think, which is like it's pretty powerful, but we weren't supposed to like change any of the settings. But this is I'm supposed to watch this video to like figure out the settings. Anyway,
tape, but it is where it is.
Okay.
When you're turning on a tank, I like to turn on the oxygen first, and that's because if I have an issue with some kind of fuel or anything, I can always blow it out with the oxygen. So fairly important. Got the valve here to the tank. Got a gauge here. The one closest to the tank is going to tell us how much pressure is in the tank. This is an idea of how much volume we have. Second gauge here is line pressure between Mickey Mouse's ears. This little valve right here. So let's walk through this. First off, when you go turn on the oxygen tank, just barely turn this thing on. You see that pressure comes up? You don't want to have the regulator open already, so you want this one to stay at 0. Barely turn it on. Once it's on, you go ahead and reverse seat this thing.
What is reverse seat in? Sued by Disney? yeah, this is the thing that... Wait, okay, so I need to actually take notes on this. Okay, 1 second. By the way, this is the same guy who told us how we were gonna like die in this class for an hour and a half straight. I think it might be TOS if I told you some of the things that he said. It was fucked. Like every shop teacher does that. But this was messed. Oh, wait a second. I can like show you some of the stuff. So if you look, no, never mind. We didn't use any of that stuff. It's all the stuff we were using to make that box that I made was like behind the is behind this like tall thing here. I don't know if you can see my mouse. You can't see my mouse. Note taking stream? Yeah, deal with it. There are so many here. This is gonna be OXYFUEL. I could show you all my Notion as well if you want to ever see. I have so many things in here that are useful. Okay, so 1, open up the tank a little. 2, reverse seat the... He like was telling us like that he's not gonna like let us mess shit up. He was pretty good about like answering questions last time. He made it seem, he literally told us, he was like, okay, class, I'm gonna like tell you the intro for the lab and then I'm gonna leave. I was like, bro, how are you gonna just leave? I literally thought he was straight up gonna like drive away, like not be in the building anymore after, but he was just there. And I was like, okay. Okay. Here we go.
Means is that you open it all the way up, and then once you're all the way open, you tighten it. Now these bottles come in 25, 26, 2700 psi. 100.
Did you hear 2700 psi? Jesus Christ. That's so much pressure. Chat, you know how much pressure that is? That's like a lot of pressure.
PSI. So right now we're just...
okay, like PSI is wait, let me make sure I know exactly what it is. I think it's pounds per square inch. That means 2,600 pounds in 1 inch. Imagine getting squished with that. Yeah, right? That's how much pressure that is. This thing is basically a bomb if it goes off wrong. So that's why you have to have all this like special like stuff. Be very careful about it.
It's about 2,000. It's important to just tighten this when you reach the top. That's called reverse seating.
Wait, he said. Sorry.
And then once you're all the way open, you tighten it. Now these bottles come in 25, 26.
Oh. Now a new weighted blanket design that'll send you flying if you're in a video game. Bro, it would be like Germa playing Elden Ring and him getting continuously exploded by all the barrels in that one castle. I love how I can't just say in Elden Ring, I have to say, oh, when Germa was playing Elden Ring.
2700 psi.
Oh, sorry.
Compressors run. Right now we're just about 2000. It's important to just tighten this when you reach the top. That's called reverse seating. Tighten it so it doesn't leak out on us. Now, really key here, this regulator and this gauge turn the exact same way. So it's kind of counterintuitive to most people when they first start. This is the same way that compressors run, everything else. But I'm going to turn this, and for cutting today, and I like to just lightly tap on the gauge. For cutting today, I want to have a good 40 psi.
40 psi. That's not a lot. Okay, 40 set. Later. That's good. I don't trust myself with 2,700 pounds of psi.
The process we're going to show you today is called rapid oxidization. Now over here,
you hear that, chat? Pog, rapid oxidization.
It's always a little smaller. Acetylene tanks can be fairly dangerous. We want to always have our tanks strapped down, as you can see. Acetylene is one of the few of the fuels that if we get a fire back...
Oh, oxidization? Yeah, that's a Minecraft word.
In this bottle, it'll blow up.
Whoa! You just said it. If we get a fire in this bottle, it'll blow up. Okay, it's a bomb. Bro, welding is so fucking scary. This is just like the gas you always use to weld. Like, that's like gas tungsten arc welding. Is like acetylene. It's crazy.
It doesn't happen with a lot of the other fuels, but with this one it does. And that's due to its porous construction. Starts off as a fluid in there, comes out as a gas. Now we're just barely gonna crack this valve. Crack it, and then give it a full turn, turn and a half.
When are we gonna build a rocket with that? Never. It's just an explosion. Noise, isn't it? Did that still not fix it? What does it sound like? Wait, somebody send a clip. Can you even still understand me? Oh wait, it seems like it fixed it. It seems like it fixed it. Did it fix it? Are we better? It sounded like a beehive? Oh god. That's not good. Do I still sound like a beehive? Yes, no, maybe. What is he saying? Oh no. What the fuck? Does it still sound like that? No, please tell me it doesn't sound like that anymore. Please, chat, please. I'm just gonna have to be quiet if it sounds like that and I can't fix it. Then we're just only gonna, it's gonna be ASMR. Okay, it's fine now. Oh, wait, I thought you were key smashing. Oh my god. Wow, my tracking is like bad today too. Okay, cursed Damie stream, it's fine. This is the blowing up stream. I'm not gonna blow it up, I swear. I'm not gonna blow it up.
Make sure the gauge comes all the way up. And that's very important here. You see this little red spectrum here, this little red don't go into. You never want your pressure above 15. 10 is good for us.
Okay, we don't want the pressure above 15. Don't go into the red. Red is sus, chat, right? Red, we know that. Don't go into red. 10 is good. Oh, 4. So true. What's the probability that somebody gets a welding incident? Sorry. What's the probability that someone gets a tank that's defective? I think fairly low. Like 0.01 or maybe, yeah, probably like 0.1. Although that does mean 1 out of 1,000 tanks are defective. That's not true. Very low. They quality check stuff. It would probably be like, that's so fucked. I don't think it's 1 out of 1,000. It's probably like never. Honestly, it's not a gamble. It's just the nature of the material if you don't take care of it correctly. Would suck to be the one guy who gets blown up by a tank. Yeah, it would suck. So they don't do that. It's fine, chat. Don't worry. You're safe. You don't have to go near it. I have to go near it.
We have to get.
Wait, we have to get to the part with the fire. We haven't even gotten to the part with the fire yet.
For cutting, usually I run about 5 to 7 when I'm doing any kind of torch work, as far as just heat, not cooling. But 10's pretty good for the amount of fluid we're gonna need now. So the tanks are all set up, we're ready to go.
Scary.
Got my gloves right here.
He's got his gloves, chat.
I'm gonna come on over.
Oh, I was saying earlier, like, the thing about welding is like everything is scary because, you know, you think like, oh, okay, I have like a glove, right? If you touch steel, that gets melted. If you want to weld like steel, like straight up steel, like that gets melted at like 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. If you touch steel that's that hot, even if you're wearing a glove, it just burns right through your skin. Like, you don't get any, like, there's no, like, second chance. It's just fucked. You're fucked at that point. It's like a horror movie, except you have to do the horror movie. And that's just how welding is. This is people's jobs. Yeah. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, okay. We were talking about different types of welding yesterday because we were talking about different types of wire feed welding, which is a type of welding where the wire comes out of the gun. And we were talking about this one type of welding, wire feed welding, called spray welding, which, as the name suggests, sprays metal. Like, it sprays the metal everywhere. But the thing is with spray welding, it has to be like with gravity. So the gun, like, the sprays out metal, like, you know, just directly down, like towards the earth. So for example, when you weld on a wall, you're just spraying hot metal, like, on your body. So, like, it's fucked, bro. I could never be a welder. These people are like stronger than God. It's also so hard to do. Like, welding is like, it's actually kind of funny because the reason I have to take a class on this is basically the whole reason is because they were like, we don't want people making parts that need welds because welding is so hard. So take this class and realize how hard welding is so you don't manufacture parts with welds in them if you don't really need to. Like, it's really funny to me because it's just like, just learn like that you're so shitty at welding and that these people are way better than you. This class is a cautionary tale. I haven't even gone to casting yet. I have to take other manufacturing classes as well. It's very cool. It's just also very scary. Like, I was afraid of like high heat stuff for like a long time because I watched a Tom and Jerry movie as a kid where their house burned down, and then I like was scared of my house burning down for like 5 years. And so like the childhood trauma in my brain just like is resurfacing with this class. It's like, bro, I'm gonna be Tom and Jerry and I'm gonna be stuck in a house and I'm gonna be stuck in a burning house. Yeah, I get nervous taking brownies out of the oven. So true. Yeah, you just learned a little bit of Damie lore there. Okay, let's watch this.
Looks like we don't have an igniter, so I'm gonna fish around for an igniter apparently for a second.
But
Boom, 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 boom. There's a couple of igniters right there. Tip cleaner, any number of things. All right.
oh,
When you get to the table, it's important that you don't go setting things in a way that they can fall right through. So we'll have a little sit table there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off a couple of pieces of bar stock just to show you the cutting procedure.
after seeing that cadaver burn victims, I ain't fucking with fire. Yeah, so true. It's like, after hearing the stories that he told, I was like, bro, I don't want to be in this class. Another thing I think that's really funny about this class is he gave us like this big sheet of aluminum, sorry, not aluminum, of steel to make that box out of. And I just think it's so funny because we just took perfectly good steel, like steel that could be used for like things in life, and we just turned it into the shittiest shit ever. It's like, it's just so funny to me. It's just like he gets like this class like every quarter. He gets like 500 kids just coming in, and we're just making just like usable metal into just scrap. It's just like, and like it's not like a welding class that is supposed to teach you how to weld. It's just supposed to teach you about different types of welding. So it's just like you're just constantly being the worst at literally everything. Actually, just ruining shit. Yeah, it's just really funny to me. It's beautiful in a way.
Go with some longer ones, 5. We'll have you cut in 2s because we'll have you use that material a little bit later. But let's start with the 5 and just talk about the torch. First off, check the trigger, make sure it works, check the valves. Good, good. I usually sniff around the torch, make sure I don't smell any leaks. Gonna go ahead and just barely
Sniff around the torch? Okay. Okay. That was probably a really bad listening experience. I'm sorry. The sniffer, POV. He's appealing to me, yeah.
turn this valve on. Maybe a quarter of a turn at the most. Kick it.
Bro, I have to kick it myself. Bro, you have to kick it yourself. That's just straight fire. Look at this thing.
Boom. This is a number 1 tip. We want that so it's touching the torch like that. You see how this?
What?
It's too much. We want the torch set up so that we have the most heat without the black smoke and still touching the tip right there. So that's just a fuel flame only.
Wait, what did he even do? What did he even change? He didn't change anything. He just held it. He just turned it on and held it.
Turn this valve on.
Okay.
Maybe a...
Let's start with the easy part. Oh, somebody asked me a question. Oh, the stat. Yeah, I think it's electric interference. I can try and fix it in a sec. Somebody asked me about inclined planes. Well, an inclined plane is like you take a piece of plane and you lift it up a little bit on one end. And that's an inclined plane. That's it. That's all it is. It's like if you took a piece of paper and you lifted up one end. It's at an angle. That plane is inclined, baby. Oh god, sorry, I'm congested. That seems like it fixed it. That seems like it fixed it. Get high off of fumes, I guess. It's like Russia, but inclined. Is Russia a plane? Sniffy cat. Can you explain space curve with vector RT? I don't know what space curve with vector RT. Oh, Russia. He's reading things wrong. Russia. POV. You're Russia. I'm intoxicated by this video. It's changing my brain structure so I can't read things. Vector field? I don't know what that is. It's like if all of Russia, the country, was inclined. Yeah, if it was. It could be. Imagine, chat.
Quarter of a turn at the most. Kick it.
Oh, quarter of a turn. Kick it. Bro, this man is literally not scared of anything. This man could see, like, God in front of him, and he would be like, what's up? What's up, bro?
Boom. This is a #1 tip. We want that so it's
What did
touching
he change?
the torch like that. You sell this, it's too much. We want the torch set up so that we have the most heat without the black smoke.
What did he change?
Right, so that's just a fuel flame only.
He would make God and say, ah, are you attending my welding class? It literally is so true.
We put this on the deck. That's just going to leave some partially digested
Wow,
acetate on the deck. Not a very useful flame unless you want to soot something up. Back in the day, we'd take them like this, and all this little smoky mess we'd let get on the side of our panel vans, and that was a known custom effect for painting. But we don't do that so much anymore. So that's a fuel flame. As I start to give it oxygen now, slowly dial this thing up. You can see this whole flame goes bright white. Bright white, that is a carburizing flame, like your carburetor on the old cars. Carburizing. We can use that flame, if something's really hot, we can use that flame to add a little carbon content to our flame.
This is so scary.
This flame all the way down to the point where we see that blue flame, and just to the point where the codes is tighten up. And then I back it off just a little bit to have a little haze on one of them. Which is very softly. That's called the acetylene finger. That way you know that you're
on the acetylene finger? Bro, wait, so like what did he even do? He like opened the oxygen. Till it gets blue and makes an acetylene finger. It's so funny to me that it's called that. I love the terms of welding. Like, he was talking about it. He was like, okay, guys, here's the next name of this welding is globular welding. I was like, bro, you're talking like an Adventure Time character. Can I explain telescopic series? I can. If you give me like an example, if you want me to go through one.
Oxygen rich. The most powerful is if you can tune it just appropriate light there. This is a neutral flame. That's when we are hoping we have full combustion. So we have a fuel flame, carburizing flame, whoop, and an extinction. This tip's got a little debris in it. I'll show you how to clean that out in the next video. So fuel flame, carburizing flame, neutral flame, and then finally this trigger here, we're going to shift the torch into an oxidizing flame. OXYFUEL cutting is done by first heating up the material. You can see I have this torch. We're going to keep it an inch above the deck. So first...
Oh God, there's so much happening. Okay, so don't do that. We want to make it like the full one. There's like 3 types. There's like the fuel flame, the carburizing flame, and the, what was the third one? I forgot already. What did he say?
OXYFUEL cutting is rising flame, neutral flame.
Neutral flame. Davey, happy birthday again. Oh my gosh, thank you, Umbra. This is a pretty good birthday stream, honestly. Getting to watch welding videos and just seeing people light things on fire. Seeing one guy light things on fire. I'm not 18. I'm not 18. It's like, oh. Better ingredients, better pizza. I don't know what that means. Pull the trigger to make an oxidizing flame. Inch above material. I was born around 2000? Yeah, sometime around like 2000 BC.
We're gonna shift the torch into an oxidizing flame.
You know.
OXYFUEL cutting is
whenever the world was like created or whatever.
Heating up the material. You can see I have this torch. We're gonna keep it an inch above the deck. So first, just heat up the material, just the edge. You don't want to do a penetration here.
We don't want to do
just
a penetration.
Let's come over here so we're not wasting a whole bunch of material.
Oh, smart.
Just the edge. And then when it gets to
whoa, look at
hot,
that.
You squeeze this trigger here.
Whoa.
And you burn through the material. Just like so.
That's bonkers. Did you watch the Mario movie? I did actually. I think that this video is better than the entirety of the Mario movie. Is someone born in 2022 this year? Yeah, this video is better than the entire movie. No, it's not out. I'm just saying, like, in advance. I think it's better. I did watch the trailer. Oh. No D-Day? It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful.
Right here, get a nice straight line for ourselves.
Nice straight line. Bro, look at that. Dude, that's like
Keep
probably
that torch an inch off the deck.
If that touches you, you die.
It uses pure oxygen.
Nice straight slime.
To its cutting temperature, to its kindling temperature. The point at which something wants to start to burn, and then we burn it.
And then we burn it.
Oxygen on the fire, and away you go.
Damn.
That's a pretty crooked cut. Let's try getting that a little bit better with our cutting guide here.
Oh, we have a jig, just like wood.
Boom. Make sure you have some way to slide this torch. Always.
Oh, he's holding it so close to his hand. Oh my god! Look at that.
Full hand. And remember, at all times, keep it an inch off the deck. There is nothing
inch off the deck. Inch off the deck.
On the tip of the torch that's going to make it cut. So having it down against the plate is only going to jam up our torch. Gloves.
Be sure to slime it.
Go to a bright orange.
Yeah, I gotta slime it. Okay, so we have to wait for it to go to a bright orange. Intimate material. Wait for it to go to bright orange. Then squeeze. Important, chat. You need to remember. You need to remember what you have to wait for it to go to a bright orange and then squeeze. No, we don't need to slime my torch.
Just put it against our guard here.
Then orange, you slime squeeze. It. Dude, he's kind of sliming it right now.
Nice pace.
Nice
as
pace,
long as you
yeah.
have debris coming out of the bottom, you should be pulling along.
Okay, yep.
Moving nice and smooth like.
Nice and smooth like. Glorp that. Dude, he's glorping it. Damn, it just fucking falls right off.
There. Let's do another one. You don't want to cut.
Why is he doing so many?
Right on the guard because they'll just blow debris all over your face. That's not really nice.
No. Oh, don't blow debris all over your face, bro. I don't even know if he's wearing a helmet right now. He probably is. I think he said to put it on like a 7 for OXYFUEL cutting. For context, we wear welding helmets that self-darken. So that means when you have like a bright light, it will automatically darken. So like when we were doing TIG welding, before you turn the torch on, like it's not bright and you want to be able to like see your material and like where your hands are and stuff. So then when the light comes on, the helmet will darken because it'll detect it. But helmets have different like shield numbers, which is like how dark the helmet gets. And they go from like 1, or they go from like 3 to like 15, I think. And like we had ours on, I believe it was 10 for doing TIG welding, but like this might be like, this would be a lot lower because like it's not as bright. TIG welding is like kind of bright. Like to look into it, your eyes will get hurt.
Nice. So we're just like so. Put it up against the guard and cut.
what's
a very
happening?
common process for cutting heavy material.
This is crazy.
OXYFUEL has a greater potential, meaning it can cut a lot thicker material using the chemistry of rapid oxidation.
Chemistry,
that's
chat.
burning. We are rapidly oxidizing, or we are burning the iron out.
It's iron, just like
our
Minecraft. Just like
Just
Minecraft.
like that. Nice and smooth. Start the
Why is he cutting this so
orange.
much? You woke up from the
Keep it
floor?
an inch off the deck.
Damn. Why are you on the
Balance
floor?
torch on your other hand here as I'm doing. Cut yourself a couple of ribbons.
Oh, he was just gonna say cut yourself, bro. Can you present me with this? What do you mean, Umbra? This is peak damie content. This is peak damie VTuber. This is the hottest stream of 2022.
Debris, sparkles coming out of the bottom.
The sparkles. Sparkle on Wednesday. I don't have lab on Wednesday, but I wish I did, just so I could say it's sparkle on Wednesday.
Smooth, easy going.
This is gonna be so scary. Like, actually, I'm not looking forward.
Remember,
Oh, it's over. Let me get the other one. There's a part 2. There's a part 2. It just is... He records on a GoPro, by the way. It's so funny to me. Where's my email? Oh, here we go. Here we go.
just a trim.
Here, we'll just switch it out. We'll switch it out. Don't look at my YouTube recommended. It's okay.
Just to trim a little inch or so off this plate each time, so we know how to do it.
I watch welding? Of course I watch welding. This is beautiful. Look at this.
Idea is not to waste a lot of material, but just figure out how to run the
Why
torch.
would
We'll
I
do
not
one
want to
last
watch
cut here,
welding?
nice and smooth like.
Well, this isn't even actually welding. This is just cutting. There might be some more welding. I don't know, actually. I have to check. I have like 6 videos to watch. It's okay. We'll get a lot of Kevo. Look at this. This is peak content. Dude, if Kev Twitch streamed, I would literally sub to him. I would watch all his Twitch streams. He would be such a good streamer. I hope he welds on stream.
When you're done with this torch, turn the oxygen off, turn the fuel off, and
Okay, turn the oxygen off, turn the fuel off. And then do something.
and squeeze the trigger to make sure there's no fire up inside the torch. Remember to squeeze the trigger real quick. Just blow that out. Lay the torch carefully on the deck. If you're the last person for the day,
For welding? White people get a bad rep for welding? Dude, white people be welding though. For watching welding for fun? Umbra, I literally do math for fun.
last person for the day, then go ahead, turn these tanks off, and then just barely take and unrotate 3 to 4 turns.
Okay, so if you're last for the day, turn us, take off pressure, unrotate the regulator, turns, that's good. He says this if he's boosting white people points. I do math for fun. No, I'm saying I'm just a nerd. It's not a white people thing. I'm just a little weirdo.
This regulator valve here. Turn the tank off.
Turn the tank off, and then turn the regulator off. Okay.
All the way down. Takes a while.
I love the first person. I think this should be in VR. I think
On
this
the
should be a
oxygen,
VR
I like
game.
to go ahead and bleed the valve.
Oh.
Squeeze that trigger there.
For oxygen. Okay, turn oxy tank bleed valve by. This is gonna be so helpful when I'm in lab and like there are 20 people around me and they're all doing dumb shit and I have to be the one to like finish everything.
And then it's important to back off this regulator just a little bit. 3 to 4 full rotation.
Wait, there's a welding game? Bro. No way. Oh, I'm gonna be so bad at this. How do I... This is gonna be so... Oh, what? Hello? How does this work? What's happening? Oh, God. Oh my God, what? This is not how welding works. Where does it want me to weld? What is happening? I'm so confused. Does it want me to be... What is happening? Does it just want me to get on the line? What the fuck? This is not how welding works. Me in class? You have to wait for it to get orange? Wait, I got a 0. I got a 0. This is exactly what happened in class. I didn't even put the thing. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Where's it going? Where do I go? Where does it want me to go? It's not like letting me... This is also... Okay. This is also... I just want to... Wait, never mind. I need to focus. Oh, I see what it is. Okay, I see what it is. So here's the thing about welding that this game is wrong about, okay? Welding, well, okay. Technically this, okay, it depends on the kind of welding, right? This is probably a wire feed welder, right? It's like an additive material. We're not melting like this material. But when you do the kind of welding that I did, so you put the metal up like this is one piece of metal, and this is like the other piece of metal. You like make it a flange is what it's called. I don't know why it's called a flange, but like that's what you have this thing here basically. And then what you do is like you take your, oh wow, that's a really shitty, okay, it's fine, don't look at me. You have your piece of metal here with your flange, and you take your torch, your electrode, your little electrode, then you circle it. You do it in circles because that's welding. You don't go in a straight line for welding. You do it in circles. You make it a Binglow sponge. You're right. You do make it a Binglow sponge. You're so right.
Keep in mind in this situation, loosening is just as a bolt would be loosening. Remember that the gauge and the handle turn the same way. So if you want 0 here, the gauge needs to go counterclockwise. A clock is those things around the wall with the hands that spin around and around. Okay,
he really likes to like make fun of us for like not knowing things. But like he's like, oh, you guys, he's the kind of guy to be like, oh, kids these days don't know what a VCR is, but like really believe it.
And not just give you numbers. Just in case you haven't
Stupid.
seen him.
He's so silly.
OXYFUEL cutting drill.
Gen Z doesn't know what a clock is, literally. Okay, let's see. Wait, Umber said I've been watching a tutorial for 50 minutes. Okay, but I've also been, you missed the part where I showed them my box. Oh, wait a second. Wait, wait, there's a video.
All right.
Okay, this is, there's a video, it has his face in it. Should I not show it, chat? This is adjusting the torch. Should we, okay, let me see. There might be another, there's another set. Wait, no, he just sent them twice. Why did he send them twice? Disney doesn't know how to slime torch. They only know how to slime their gender. Yeah. Should I just crop his face out of it? Can I do that? Is that possible? I mean, to be fair, all these videos... So true, and it's not right. They gender. I'm sorry, Umbra. I'm losing my brain. Okay, never mind. We'll just do this. Fuck it.
All right, everybody, let's take a quick look at the TIG torch this week. We seem to be
Oh yeah, we have to take apart the TIG torches. I forgot. I'm kind of excited though, because I like taking stuff apart. The gender rough bark. What's happening? What's happening here? The gender left sliming their pronouns. They don't know how to slime a dinner.
That is an awful lot. And taking the electrode in and out, you really just need to, if you're trying to take the electrode out, just loosen the tail a little bit.
Okay.
This electrode should come out just fine. But let's look at a little bit of the breakdown, just so we know. This is all these little torches are made of. Just a little connector right here. That's where we put the gas. And that's where we put the electricity into it. That comes up here. And rub the body just like that. Little copper bits inside of there, and the gas just comes up to the bottom.
Copper bits.
Not a real complicated piece. This is a flexible one, and it's been bent pretty hard for some reason. This cap here is important.
People kind of abuse the stuff, which is kind of sad, but they do abuse it a little bit. So that's probably why it's bent as hell.
It seals up the back of the nozzle, so we gotta have
OMG, bits? Bits like Twitch, like streaming?
that on there. Just like so, it just pops on. Some of these torches have one on both sides. I only see one on one side for these. Okay.
Yeah, Twitch should actually change the way they do bits to like, instead of like 1 bit or 5 bits, you have to say like 10 bits. Oh no, sorry, fuck. You have to say like copper bits or gold bits or diamond bits or titanium bits. It's just like Minecraft, like the copper.
This collet body here. This collet body screws into the torch, and then this collet drops down in there. And the tail just fits right on the back of that collet and drives it together. So in all that threading and that torch, this is all that's happening in between there. Not real complicated. The extra space here around this
Yeah, the
collet,
tail. Yeah, actually welding is like a furry thing. This is a little known fact. New Twitch rule where you lie. Yeah, actually, welding torches are all personas of the original creator of welding, whose name was Welding Jim. And he spent a lot of time designing his persona and making sure that all the welding torches kind of, you know, followed that, because he really wanted to. That was one of his big points of like why welding was good. Do you mean it? Do I mean what? About Welding Jim? Hyena welding torch when? If I ever get a partial derivative is crazy. Partials aren't that bad. You can kind of just think about it like, yes, about him and his persona tools. Howl, I hate to break it to you, but I lie. I lie so much, Howl. I lie constantly. About so many things. Welding Jim isn't real, no. He's my best friend. Imagine if one guy invented welding. Oh, I can show. Okay, I'll show you how to do parametrics after this. I could actually do some parametrics for practice.
The gas goes around that collet body, and then it comes out through these little holes right here. I think you can see those little holes there.
Oh, those little holes right there.
Your weld based on how big of an orifice you want, right there.
Welding Jim is a very important character in Damie lore. Should I make Welding Jim like a thing? I can't just retcon Welding Jim. I'm not retconning him, he does exist. I'm just sitting in the dark. I need to go turn on some lights. 1 second. I wish Welding Jim could help me, but he's out of town right now. Why does my model keep standing all the way up? I don't need to stand on my desk, VTube Studio. Does Welding Jim have any hobbies? Well, you'll never guess, but this is kind of something that people don't know about him, but he does welding actually. Yeah, it's like kind of a shocker, I know. It doesn't really, he doesn't seem like the kind of guy to do it, but it really like surprised me when I found out.
So this just slides onto that.
I know, that's an insane coincidence, right?
So let's just look at the assembly here.
Coincidence.
We have the torch.
Quinn's a Dane.
And on one side, we have the collet body. And the collet. And then the tail threads in on the other side. And then finally, the lens is gonna, or the
Wow, so easy, so simple.
on this side. So let's assemble the torch real quick.
Call
This
it.
goes on first. This piece likes to
COLLET.
work itself loose a lot. Thermal cycles.
Dude, his hands are such welder's hands.
The torch won't fit on there anymore. The collet is specific to the size of the electrode. So this is a 3/32 inch collet. All that a collet is, it's got that little chamfer there. And then we take a little cut.
Oh.
And as we push this thing in, it just pinches down right here and holds onto the electrode. Not complicated. Simple device. Lots of copper. Good
Yeah,
electrical
chamfer.
conductivity, that's why we like it. And then this piece slides in just like so. The electrode slides in.
Yo, that's a thick electrode.
Sometimes they're a little fussy when they're lined up, but once you get them going, you see this little painted end? You always want to leave the painted end alone. Don't sharpen that. Leave it alone.
Don't sharpen
exactly
it.
what that electrode is. This is a serrated gray tip.
A serrated gray tip, chat. That's a serrated gray tip. Just in case you didn't know. I knew, clearly. I love these words so much. Welding Jim was a genius for chamfer. Yeah. How do you not know about Mr. Weld? Well, they were husbands, obviously. Canonically, right? Wait, what do I mean word? Did they get like divorced or something? Yeah, actually, they did get divorced like yesterday. It's a new development. That's why Jim is out of town right now.
2% cerium oxide is
Getting
cerium.
divorced.
Cup goes on. Finally, you'll see the cup has a little 7 right there. That means that this orifice here.
So he's single then. Yeah, he's single. He's single. Well, he will be.
Diameter 7/16 of an inch.
I mean, he did invent welding, so I don't know how long you've got before he is taken.
We'll talk a little bit more about sharpening when we get into the lab this week, and I'll probably put on a video of that as well. Very good. Torch assembly, not complicated.
Not complicated. Not complicated at all. Not complicated at all. Just the collet and the collet body and the gray tip and the. I need a man that welds and who's better than welding and who better. Oh my gosh, I think you said who's better. Like, and who's better than welding Jim. I was like, dude, there's no one as good as welding Jim. He's welding Jim. Welding is very useful. You can put two pieces of metal together. And you don't have to even use any tape at all. That was a new development for me. I really thought really thought the duct tape was the only way. Okay, so we have a couple things we could do. We could potentially, okay, actually, there's a couple things we could do. We could do wind and solar. That's another lab I have to prep for. We could do me reading my really shitty engineering textbook, which might be funny. Or we could do like math or something. But I'm going to say we're not going to do math. So what do you want? Chat, do you want to... Here, wait, let me make a poll. New poll. Question. What do... Oh yeah, read shitty textbook. Funny. Oh, this is probably fun. Or wind and solar. Woo. I'll leave it up for 2 minutes. Okay. Wait, content does not mean meet guidelines? Read textbook. Funny. Does it not let me say shitty? It didn't let me say shitty. Okay. So yeah, we could do that. It is wild. It will be wild. No matter what. Bro, this textbook is genuinely... I forgot I had to read it for tomorrow. No swear words. Yeah, for real. Here, I'll try the welding game. Where's the position of the gun? Where is it supposed to be? this isn't like welding at all. They lied to me. Am I supposed to put it in the thing? Oh my god. Well, that went well. 0%. What is this? What, like, is there like an about? Wait, why does this need cookies? Hello? Why is it... How to play. It was illegal. What is illegal? What is legal about this? Oh, no way. Is it like an actual... Is it like an actual, like... Oh my gosh, wait, it's an actual welding company's, like, game. No way. Pig slays. I just googled welding simulator. Welding simulator VR. If there's a welding simulator, I will... No way. Making a welded connection in the field, first on the ground, then on the 88th floor of a steel building under construction? Bro. Wait, we gotta make this bigger. We gotta make this bigger. Oh my god, wait, there's a speed run? I have to speed run this? Oh wait, the boat. Try not to fall off the beam. Oh, that looks very similar to the helmets that we use. Except ours are like smaller. Oh my gosh, chat, I gotta play this. I'm like scared of heights though. Oh my gosh, wait, this is so real. Wait, why is this unlisted? Wait, you think this is like a training game? Oh my gosh, do you think they use this to like train people? It's all gonna be okay? I feel like they use this to train people. Industry Lift, what is this company? Oh god, there's like a Home Depot type beat. Oh, what is this? Virtual reality, VR games. Jobland! Bolting simulator! Bolting simulator! Forklift simulator! No way! What is Jobland? Coming soon. Find your future. Whoa, this is actually so cool! Like, so I guess you can just like try out like different... That's like really awesome. Okay, I'm gonna bookmark this because we gotta play this at some point. I just go through and play all these. Bolting simulator. Everybody ready for me to bolt some things together? That's so fun. This actually seems really cool. Fabrication simulator. Once I get virtual reality set up, I have the Quest, so I think I can do it on the Quest. Okay, let me pull up my textbook. How do I read this? Can I actually even read? If I, No, oh, no. I have a math quiz tomorrow. Give me all your awesome calc powers. What's the math quiz on? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wait, we can't open this. Okay, thanks. Thanks, Amazon. Here, read this book that you bought. We actually can't open it. Lol. Fine, I'll download it. Wait, what? I think I might have downloaded this before already. The live experience. Damie installing Kindle on his computer. I still have my book by Robert Sedgwick. I love that his name was Sedgwick because that was his real name. It's not me saying it in like a baby voice. It just sounds like you're saying Cedric in a baby voice. Robert Sedgwick. It's like the birds. It's forcing you to do an ooh-woo voice. Oh my god, where did this go? Oh god, this looks awful. Oh, bro. Okay, let me... Let me do this. Wait, my... Okay, good. It's a little... I got worried for 2 seconds there. Oh, God. I don't know if this is the right one. Wait, why is that my... Uh-oh. That seems wrong. It's okay, chat. I'll get there. By the way, I finished watching Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared, the new show. What now? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now I can study engineering in the best way. Okay, I don't need to get shown how to do Amazon, thank you. Here we go. Yeah, the new show. Okay. I have to read, I think I have to read chapter 2. Let me just check. Oh, there's so many pages. Oh, God. Oh, God. Ugh. Sorry, I'm just reading this. Okay. Oh, God. Why are there so many problems? Did they make a show? Yeah, there's a show with like half-an-hour long episodes. It's really good. I will say my personal opinion is that like the last 2 episodes are very good. The other couple episodes are a bit slow, but give it a chance. It is good. It gets good. I wish they made it get good a little bit sooner, but it's very fun. What am I looking for? I'm looking for... Also, I have to go to like a career fair tomorrow and like try and like ask people questions about if they're satisfied with their jobs. This class is actually the worst class. I have to go up to somebody and be like, are you happy with your job? I can't get out of it. I have to do that. Okay. Yeah, okay, read chapter 2. Everyone liked the worm guy. I hated the worm guy. The worm guy sucks. He's awful. Okay. We're gonna speed run this chat. I also hated the room. Other worm. I'd be like, I hate my job. He's ambivalent about his job. That's so funny. Yeah, it's like, are you happy? What? Why are we asking? Oh, I have to like zoom in. Sorry. How do I zoom in? Like, give me like 100%. What? No, I want like maybe 200. Okay, there we go. Okay. This chapter will introduce you to the engineering profession. Someone made Lovecore Uwu fan art of the worm? Bro, the worm sucks so bad. I hate him so much. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, when you are finished reading this chapter, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the engineering profession and perhaps have found the engineering niche that attracts you most. Well, it's a little late for that. I am majoring in mechanical engineering, and it's hard for me to switch my major. So maybe if you gave this book like before I applied to college. First, you'll answer the question, what is engineering? Oh, okay. Okay, we're good. You have probably been asked, what is engineering? Chat, have I been asked what is engineering? Ray remembers his grandmother. I don't know who Ray is. I don't know. What? Wait a second. A good starting point for answering this question is the theme of National Engineers, held each week in honor of George Washington, considered our nation's first engineer. What? Bro, why is George Washington an engineer? He was like a guy and he like beat people up or something. Why can't I get rid of this? What the fuck? Mechanical engineering, OMG, just like machinist Final Fantasy XIV. Engineering is the application of science to the common purpose of life. He made a round barn? What? Is that true? Did he actually do something? I thought they were just like clowning because he like was a guy who was important and like had power or whatever. Umbra is getting mad about me doing this. Well, too bad, Umbra. I'm sorry. Oh wait, I will put on music though. It's getting there. There's not even any balloons? Well, this is a party, Umbra. Is this playing what? This is not playing noise. Okay. It's my birthday party? I guess I could play a game. I guess I could, like, slack off and play a game. What game would I play, even? Put up balloons? I could put up some balloons. Wow, I spelled that really bad. Turn on the anime. Girl, one second. I need to, like, find a balloon. Oh. Insert change game here. Wait, I'm trying to find a balloon. Here we go, chat. Now it's a real party. Now it's a real party, chat. Everybody's so happy about my balloon. I love my balloon so much. It's so beautiful. I'm reporting you. Wait a second. Just wait 1 second even. Just wait like 1 second. Look at this. What the heck? Look at that. It's literally, it's a real balloon. It's actually a whoopee cushion and you just sat on it and now it sounds like you're farting. Ha ha ha. I was gonna say, I'm calling King Engineer to fire you. Too bad, because I'm not hired, so I can't be fired. I used to chew on those. Wait, let me turn on the anime girl. Look, she's here, guys. Everybody miss anime girl? Get Welding Jim in here? Oh, you know what I should... Well, no, he's busy getting divorced. I don't know if I can get Welding Jim in here. Hi, anime girl. Hi. I also do welding. I'm not as good as Welding Jim, though. It's my great voice that everyone is so happy about. Okay. Just study the 21 definitions of engineering. She also welds, yeah. As you learn more about the field of engineering, you will find there is no simple answer to the question, what is engineering? Because engineers do so many different things and perform so many different functions, learning about engineering is a lifelong endeavor. Here's a bunch of QR codes that no one's going to scan. Okay, that's literally not important. I can't even do that as a bit. Okay, for example, the US military might need a missile system to launch a 1,000-pound communication satellite into synchronous orbit around the Earth. For example, consumers did not initiate the need for various sizes of little rectangular yellow papers that would stick onto almost anything, yet be removed easily when 3M invented Post-its. Your smartphone. Okay, this sucks. Resident sleepers? Yeah, no, you know what? I'm subjecting you to it, Umbra. You love me. Okay, no, Howl's resident sleepering. It's over, it's over. I'm gonna leave the balloon. We can, what was my other thing that I was saying I was gonna do? Oh, let me see if the wind and solar would be more interesting. Everybody loves a little bit of it, wind and solar. Solar and wind. Oh, there's a download this file? That doesn't sound like a, virus at all. Oh my gosh, stop resin sleepering. Bro, what is this? This looks so... What the fuck? What? Okay, that is a lot of graphs. Play the weld... Can I react to mukbangs? I don't... What? I'm an angel. I don't know what a mukbang is. I could also do math. Or I could just end stream. Let me see if there's anything... Let's see if there's any online welding games I can play. Oh, let me put it on the right tab, though. One that's not as shit as the other one. I'm sorry, that one's not very good. Wait, what? Wait, welding games. Ooh. Simple to learn, but hard to It just took me to the same fucking page. Literally, it was like, oh, look at this. Welding game. That's so cool. Scroll down. It's the same welding game. Is there only one welding game? Weld Boss AR game. Play fun welding games on your smartphone. The welding game sucks. Can you beat Valtteri Bottas? Dude, this... Play welding simulator for free. Reject all cookies. Where's the welding? Here we go. Where's the game? Where is this game? Welding simulation. Oh. This is gonna give me a virus. Roro. I swear to God, this is Papa's Welderia. Bro, what is this? What is this? Bro. Dude, this is so... I'm so good at welding. I'm literally look at my weld. Look at how good at welding I am. Chat, this game is like... This game is awesome. What is this? You're just scraping off the weld? Okay, that's not really how... Infecting your PC. Oh, now I get to choose a color. What color do I want? Should I make it red? I should make it damie colored. In yellow. Yellow is damie colored. Okay. I don't want to claim my... Okay. Oh, I see. It's gonna get harder. Chat, I'm gonna like become a welding game streamer now. Just watch. Look how good that is. Look at... I wish it scored me. There's no way to score me on this. This is what you're gonna be doing? Yeah, this is my job. See spinning object. Weld object. Wipe weld off object. Spray paint object. It's putting commands in my command prompt. It could be, actually. Why the heck's this weld not leaving? Get out of here, weld. Bro, I didn't put this much weld on it. Why is this thing taking so long? This game is buggy. I guess I like shouldn't be surprised. This is such a good game, chat. Actually, this is maybe on par with the level of like effort that like Papa's games have. I'm gonna make this one purple. I like how it turned red for a second. Wait, do I have to like spray it multiple colors to let it go to the next stage? What? Do I have to spray it a specific color? What's happening? Why is it not letting me leave? I'm confused. Is this the end of the game? Oh, we can search welding on Scratch. This is so science and technology. Imagine needing to spin it that long. What is this video you're sending me? Wait, let me do one more weld here. What the f- Oh. Oh, I see. This one is not a spinning one. Oh. I don't know what this thing is. I don't really like it. I don't really trust it. Oh, it's just a scraper. I thought it was like a bell. like this is how, like, this is how people who've never seen welding, like, what is happening with this one spot? Why is this one spot? Oh, because I, like, started there. I forgot. POV. You've solved the world's problems. What did we make? We made, like, a big circle. What is this video? Top 10 biggest welding fails? I don't know enough about welding to... Now my recommendeds are going to be, like, only welding. Hashtag safety first. I don't want to see somebody, like, cut their hand off. Okay, we're done with that. I saw a guy get burned. That's like TOS or something. A guy gets literally lit to death on fire on stream. Real tragedy. Why is this not like... Okay, if I hold the same thing for long enough, it works. Wait, but this one's spinning. I don't understand this game. He's just fully on fire. This game sucks so bad. Okay, we're going to Scratch. We're gonna search welding. Oh, this is gonna be good. Click the green flag. Click the screen to close the credit. Okay, click the green flag. Click to close the credit. Choose an object to weld. Okay, what should we weld, chat? Should we weld a bike? Should we weld a squishy? Should we weld a L or a bike? We only have those choices. Wow, I played welding from Beaver 2 and I have 9 points. Is that a laptop? We'll do the squishy. Ah, what? The what? Wait a second. Copy. Wow, I played weld. What am I welding? Am I like copying the shape here? Chat, this is actually more realistic than the other welding game. This is literally what welding is in real life. I don't even... What the f... I'm so confused. Okay, this is a bad welding game. Is this an accurate welding thing? Okay, this is an image. Alright, that's not. A project for my welding class. The welding club. Score 10. You won. I'm literally the best welder ever. Welding class game. Left, right arrow. Change flamethrower. Space. Move it or forward. Am I doing well? What the? I don't know what's happening. Oh no, I messed up, guys. I messed up. I'm not gonna weld it right. Oh no, I messed up. Okay, just let's try again. Wow, these are some pretty bad games. Look at this, guys. Tanya Rev. What a great welding game. Wait, she likes welding. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's gonna be copyright claimed. What is... I can't believe all these have welding somewhere in the name. They must have welding. When they welded me with their torch. Jesus Christ. That's so long. Wait, what is this? Is this just a fan fiction? Put in Scratch? She opened her mouth, looking them dead in the eyes. She spoke. Would like to sing a song for you all, since you seem to not be entertained by violence, you uncultured swine. A few of them looked shocked that she would use this kind of language, and others nodded their heads, if she weren't talking to them as well. Sherry stomped her paw on the floor, as if telling them to follow her with a beat. The idiots, they followed, clapping along. Sherry bared her teeth in a snarl. I call it when they welded me with when they welded with their torch. She said, stomping her, getting faster. Painful screams, painful words, thirsting for any water, even if it's drowned in poison. Kept this prison, this blacksmith's hammer and shack, this burning place. I was dipped into scorching flames. Burned, banged, shoved down, suffocated, welded to fit their mold. What is this? Is this singing? Is this poetry? I don't know what that is. Ashford was welded with the church. What is this? God damn it, why are there no good welding games? Looks great, and the writing too. Great job. Wish I could hear that tune so I know how it sounds. Since that can't happen, imagining it myself will do. Pretty good stuff, chat. Like, what does Garfield trying to act normal in the hood? Where's the welding in this? What are all these names? What is this? Every day Damie ignores the fact that I was welded with a torch. What is this? Why are there so many names? Is this a repeat? This isn't even copy and pasted. Okay. Maybe the weld was the friends we made along the way. So true. I really want to play this game though. Oh, I forgot. Videos don't work on my computer unless I unplug my headphones and then I replug them back in. 1 second. 1 second, chat. Yeah, I don't question it. It just happens. I think I need to replace the drivers, but that's not how that works. It does actually work. Because that video wasn't playing. And now it's playing, and I just unplugged my headphones and replugged them back in. Okay, so you can set the welding temperature. That's not really how it works, but that's fine. Okay. Okay. I hope a part of this game is you go blind if you look at the light. Now that looks pretty realistic. Doing a nice little weld there. What the why is he looking at it? Don't look at it, chat. Don't look at it. He didn't go blind. He just go blind. This is pretty good. He's doing a butt joint or a T-joint. I think it might be a butt joint. I can't tell. Sorry, I lied. That's a corner joint. Oh, I just did a little happy dance there. That was it? They didn't even show him welding on the building? Well, that was beautiful. I want to see what fabrication... No, wait, I want to see what bolting simulator looks like. Bolting simulator, let's go. This looks great. This looks literally great. I really like how they put the shitty noises from the environment in. Oh, they're calling themselves player. I'm gonna turn this down. It sounds like electricity. Why is this like more fleshed out than the welding one? No, player 1. Now come closer and try not to fall off the beam. Oh, I see. It's the exact same game. But this is YouTube Kids. Stop looking around. I just want you to do some bolting. Wow, this game looks really great. Where are the nuts? Oh, they're over there. What? Oh, there's more spaces, I see. Well, there's some extra if you drop them. I see. Okay. You just put the bolts on there, I guess. I hope they're not training people with this game. I know I said like, oh, what if this was... Wait, that was it? You just... Oh, shit. That is intense. Look at that. Look at that. Look how high up you are. They are training people with this game, bro. Yeah, this is VR. Well, I'm not playing VR, but... Okay, wow, great. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'll get it too. I'll play it at some point. What do we say, chat? Should I turn it in for the night? I haven't eaten dinner yet. It's like late. It's not that late. It's like 7. Play with me? Bro, if they had a bolting simulator that was multiplayer, I would be so on that. Oh, play VR with you? Yeah, I'll play VR. We could play Beat Saber. I need some like copyright free songs though if I'm gonna play Beat Saber. Are you allowed to play? Oh, you're telling me to not stop streaming? Well, I need to eat. What am I supposed to do? I guess I could do calculus, but I feel like I was gonna do calculus like this weekend as well. Eat on stream? No, I can't eat on stream. Live PBJ making? Yeah, I don't have like I literally do have to make like everything on my desk. It's awful. I have no space. I could put up a video of making pancakes. Well, yeah, I could, and I'd watch you watch that. I know, but it's like I have a purpose. I have a. Let me see if there's anything I can do. Oh, you have a question. What's your question? I could, Oh, why do I have so many... Wait, Howl's texting me. Wait, Howl's texting me. What is this? Howl. Wait, these image... Why are you not eating right now? Because I'm on stream. Look at this image that Howl sent me. Rob's welding sucked. Now he's in the rod oven. What does that even mean? Wait, no, wait, edit this one to say, I heard her girlfriend can't even weld. That'd be funny. Wait, stop. These are so good, Howl. Welders be like, Fab 101, weld board. I'll take everything. Oh, that's so good. This is so bad. It's still better than my weld, though. If you're a welder, if occasionally your outfit catches on fire. If I was your wedding acceptor, I'd weld you so good. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. That's so funny, Howl. I love you so much. Weldo, you such nicely. And now I actually do want to like get better at welding. Oh, you don't know the non-binary term? Oh, if I was your... That's true. Wedding acceptor is so funny. What would that be? Like, marriage partner? I would weld so well. I kind of do want to learn how to weld now, like properly. I'd weld you a heart. Oh, I could like play Minecraft. I'm not actually sure if my computer can handle running Minecraft and streaming. Spouse. Bro, maybe I forget the word for spouse. I don't know if my computer can handle playing Minecraft and streaming at the same time. It can handle playing Minecraft though. I mean, I could get... No, I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna play... Here, we could play a game. Should I play game chat? What games do I have? I have Splatoon. But I like can't do that. I have... What do I have? Sniffles. We could play Crush. Ooh, eat the balloon? Bro, I can't eat the balloon. I don't need to eat. I'm an angel. We don't eat food. I could play I haven't installed Crush on my computer yet. Ooh, that's tempting. Should I play Crush? I'd have to switch categories from science and technology, though. If I started playing Crush. I'm kind of really wanting to. I'm gonna install it. I don't want to put it on my desktop or menu though, thank you. It's downloading. So how was your day, chat? Play Catboy Simulator? Is there a Catboy welding simulator?